What's up, all you crazy box breaking, car collecting, football fans? This is Scott from LiveBoxRace.com coming in 10 p.m. Eastern, 8 p.m. In Colorado. 3-box football break for you tonight. But first, an individual box break for Austin. I have a box of 2015 Crown Royal for you. All right, good luck, Terrence McGee in promo, Gerald McCoy, Jeff Swaim, Drew Brees, and a rookie patch for the Seahawks, Tyler Lockett, 78 out of 499. Promo. Eric Kendricks, Ryan Tannehill, Josh McCown, Philip Dorsett. What do we have for you here? Let's get this in a one touch. For the Titans, Marcus Mariota on card rookie auto, a jumbo patch. Very cool. 230 out of a 299. Congratulations. Shaquem Phillips, Antonio Gates, Anquan Bolden, Kings Court for the Lions, and a rookie jumbo silhouettes patch for the Chiefs, Chris Conley. Super short print, 16 out of 25. Ryan Tannehill. Rookie auto for the Bills, Nick O'Leary. 29 out of 299. Joseph Randall, 81 out of 99. Big Ben and the Kings Court for the Saints. And a spacer. That will do it for Austin's break. Now we have the bad break train for last night's break. Giving away a $10 promo code. We'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and the winner is 1. Now we'll get the roster for tonight's break. And we'll randomize it 5 times. Here we go. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we'll copy the results, paste them against the list of teams in alphabetical order. Oops, sorry, let me grab that again. Okay, there we go. And here is the roster for tonight. We'll start off with the Strata. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Up first for the Eagles. On card acetate auto, Jordan Matthews. 85 out of 99. Eagles going to Robert K. Spacer. And a rookie auto jumbo patch for the Falcons, Tevin Coleman. Falcons going to Ben. And I'll go to the inception. Alfred Morris, Jimmy Graham, Roddy White, 33 out of 75. Going to Ben. Luke Kuechly, 66 out of 150. Going to Austin. On card, rookie auto for the Rams, Sean Mannion, 12 out of 25. Rams going to David S. And another Sean Mannion for you. This one a purple parallel, 38 out of 75. Rookie jumbo patch for the Bucks, Jameis Winston. Let's grab you a one touch. Bucks going to Pedro. Super short print, 11 out of 25. Congratulations, Pedro. And now the Spectra. Cam Newton, Santonio Holmes, Rookie Revolution, Tyler Wilson, 76 out of 99. Raiders going to Angelo. Rookie auto 2-color patch for the Steelers, Marcus Wheaton. Another one for you, Angelo, 31 out of 99. Rookie blue prism autograph for the Falcons, Robert Alford. That one going to Ben, 75 out of 99. Jason Witten, Dwayne Bowe, Rookie of the Week, Seal Moore, Marlon Brown, City Limits 15 out of 99, going to John B. Rookie patch for the Browns, Barkevious Mingo, 56 out of 99, going to Henry. On card rookie auto for the Eagles, Matt Barkley, blue prism, 26 out of 49, going to Robert K. Anquan Bolden, Arian Foster, Rookie of the Week winner, Le'Veon Bell, City Limits Emerald Prism, Denard Robinson, Super Short Print 3 out of 5, Jags going to Henry. Blue Prism Dual Patch for the Dolphins, Michael Wallace, Ryan Tannehill, 52 out of 99, going to Jessica. Rookie auto for the Raiders, Bryce Butler, 219 out of 299, going to Angelo. Kendall Wright, Ryan Tannehill, J.J. Watt, 50 out of 99. Going to Jessica. Compared to Hall of Fame autograph for the Steelers, Jack Ham. Going to Angelo, 10 out of 50. And a game used patch for the Chargers, Philip Rivers. Chargers going to Henry, 192 out of 299. Torrey Smith, Eli Manning, Luke Kuechly Gold Prism, Super Short Print, 6 out of 10. Going to Austin. Rookie patch for the Titans, Kendall Wright, 169 out of 299. Going to Ben. And a rookie blue prism autograph for the Cardinals, Tyrann Mathieu, 24 out of 99. Going to Donnie. DeMarco Murray, Philip Rivers. Rookie Revolution Blue Prism for the Bengals, Tyler Eifert, 39 out of 49. Going to Juan. Cecil Shorts. Three color patch, green prism for the Titans, Jake Locker. Going to Ben, super short print, 2 out of 5. And a rookie auto for the Panthers, Kenyon Barner, 29 out of 299. Going to Austin. And that will do it for tonight's break. We're off this weekend, back at it Monday night. Take a look, grab a spot, and we'll see you Monday night.